This is the Arduino code of LED play. Pin mode 12 is M and pin mode 9 is R. The first function is white go 1. M and R both one by one blink. For second function white go 2. M and R both together blink. For third function white go 3. M and R both fast one by one blink. For fourth function white go 4. M and R both together fast blink. This is the while loop. The code repeat itself. For first function, I'm calling all functions are here. Go 1, blink M and R one by one. Second function, go 2, blink M and R together few seconds. Third function, go 3, blink M and R fast one by one. And the fourth function, blink M and R together fast few seconds.